Hi everybody, on this video I am going to teach you how to make ghost door game on scratch. So this are the sprites that we need: door 1, door 2, door 3, the engine and the backdrop. Let's start with the engine. So for the engine, when green flag is clicked, broadcast, start, which is basically going to start the whole game. Also, there are three variables: game, ghost door, and score. Set game to off, and then set ghost door to 0. Also set score to 0, like that. So when green flag is clicked, game will set to off, and ghost door will be set to 0. Score will be set to 0, and it will broadcast start. Also, go to events. When I receive start, it will set game to off. Also set ghost door to 0. And then go to control at the wait block, wait 1 second, and then set ghost door to pick random from 1 to 3, like that. And then set game to on. Then it will broadcast new message, choose door. Go back to door 1, and when I receive start, it will go to X minus 147 and Y minus 17. Also switch costume to costume 1. Duplicate this, change this into choose door, and go to sound, start sound, connect. Drag this one in here. Also drag it to door 3. So door 2 now also have. Just fix the motion block. Fix the motion block in door 3. So this is just positioning the doors. Also when I receive choose door, go to X minus 2 and Y minus 17. Duplicate this one, also choose door, like that. Now go back to door 1, and when this sprite is clicked, broadcast already choose door, and then go back to engine. When I receive already choose door, wait 1.5 seconds, and it will set game to off, like that. Go back to door 1, and then if block, if operators, this one off, and go back to variables, drag game into the boolean, like that. After that, wait 1 second block, and then if block, if ghost door equals 1, ghost door equals 1, it will switch costume to costume 3, and we'll switch costume to costume 2. Let me check. Yes, so this is costume 2 and this is costume 3. like that. It will also start sound tada if it's costume equals 2, and will start sound alert if costume equals 3, like that. Also go to looks again, add a say block, say oh no, and for this one say, oh my god, I'm having trouble, say yay. Also don't forget add a set game to off block. Like that. And then change give me a second. Yeah, change score by 1, and then involve broadcast start. So broadcast start, like that. Also put it in door 2, also put it in door 3. For this one, if ghost door equals 2. For this one, for door 3, if ghost door equals 3. Let's test it. So the sound that you just heard is the sound that tell us that you must choose the door. So I'm going to choose one door. And you can see that the door I choose is not a ghost door because the variable ghost door was not 1. Okay, let's just show the ghost door. So the variable ghost door now is 2. So if I click on door 2, the ghost will appear and say oh no. Now the ghost door is also 2, but if I click on the door 3, there is no ghost. Like that. So that is all how you make ghost door game on Scratch. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new from this video. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.